Ramchandra Puri, who saw he would come and he would feed devotees, big prasad. I'm full. No, must take more. Pile on their plate. Then when they was finally there, he would force so hard that they're all right. All I had in just for you, I'll take a little more. Oh, you overate, you slob, you non-Vaishnav, you rascal. You've overeaten. You are not a true bhakta. So I was just taking because you were insisting. I had enough. This is the Ramchandra Puri. Mood. You set someone else up and then cut off his head. So, there's really no positive instruction. Wonder why are these leelas put in Chaitanya Charitamrita? What is the benefit? Benefit obviously is because there are going to be instances when fallen souls are going to, like us, are going to have different idiosyncrasies to act like that. Therefore, to give us instruction how foolish it is, Krishna Jas Kaviraj has included for our instruction, lest we become a Ramchandra Kaviraj, a Ramchandra Puri, who goes in Lord Chaitanya's room and sees a few ants on the floor. Oh, you are eating so many sweets, the ants are coming, you are not a real sannyasi. He's criticizing Krishna himself. How puffed up. So then, forced by the opinion, the devotee is so humble. Lord Chaitanya was taking the mood of the devotee, so humble, all right, I will no longer eat. He reduced his diet to just one token. Devotee is so soft-hearted that if somebody criticizes on a which even though it's a materialistic platform, even though it is not a perfect platform, he is so humble, all right, whatever you like, I will stop eating. But actually, where there's no fault, someone will find a fault. Simply due to not a deep anubhav or understanding, realization of what is the inner intention of the Guru of Krishna. What does it take to instill faith in fallen souls in this Kali Yuga? How is it possible to inject in their dead, stone-like hearts the sweet nectar of Krishna consciousness, which is Lord Chaitanya's supermost desire?